Algebraic fraction. First question. Write as a single fraction in its simplest form. 5a divide 6 times 3b divide a. So we can divide this a by a. Then this 6 we can divide by 3, we will get 2. So our answer will be 5b by 2. Next one. P divide 2q times 4pq divide t. So we can divide this q, right? And this 4 we can divide by 2. So here will be 2 p and p square divide t. So our answer is 2p square divide t. Next one, simplify fully. 5x divide 12 times 4 divide 15x. So first we can divide this x and x. Then 15 can divide by 5, it will be 3. 12 can divide by 4, it will be again 3. So finally we can write, here is a 1. So 1 divide 3 times 3 is a 9. Our answer is 1 divide 9. Simplify. A divide x divide b divide 2y. We can write this one like a divide x divide b divide 2y. So first fraction will be unchanged and we can multiply. Second fraction will be reciprocal or flip. So 2y by b. And finally our answer will be 2ay by bx. Next question. Simplify x minus 4 divide x square minus 16x. So this one x minus 4 will be unchanged and x square minus 16x we can write 16 can be write 4 square. So it will be x square minus 4 square. So then x minus 4 divide x plus y, x plus 4 times x minus 4, right? Why? Because we know a square minus b square equals to a plus b times a minus b. So this x minus 4 out. Our answer will be 1 divide x plus 4. So here is 1 divide x plus 4. Next one, simplify x minus 5 divide x square minus 25. So this one we can write x minus 5 and here is a x plus 5 times x minus 5. So x minus 5 out. Here is a 1 divide x plus 5. Okay. So next, simplify 2x square plus 10x divide x square minus 25. So here we can take common 2. So here will be 2x can be common, right? Not only 2, 2x. So here is a x plus 5 divide x square minus 25. So we can write this one x plus 5 times x minus 5. So x plus 5 out. So our answer is 2x divide x minus 5. Okay. So 2x divide x minus 5. So what will be the next question answer? 7x minus x square. This one we can write, we can take common 7. Is it? No. We can take common x. So it will be 7 minus x, and in denominator 14 minus x square we can write 7 plus x and 7 minus x. So 7 minus x out. Our answer will be x divide 7 plus x. Okay. Why we can make this one? We need to clarify this one, like 49 minus x square, it will be 7 square minus x square. So it will be 7 plus x and 7 minus x. Okay. It's just rough, no need to show in the examination. Simplify 5x minus x square divide 25 minus x square. So we can take common x. Here will be 5 minus x, and in denominator 25 minus x square, 25 is a perfect square, it means 5 square minus here is x square. Then we can write here x times 5 minus x will be unchanged, and here 5 plus x and 5 minus x. So 5 minus x, 5 minus x out. Result will be x divide 5 plus x. So we can write in here x divide 5 plus x. Next question. Simplify x square y minus 3xy divide x square minus 2x minus 3. So in this fraction, in numerator we can take common xy, right? So here will be x minus 3, and denominator we can factorize by middle term factor. So it will be x square minus 3x plus x minus 3. Now from here xy times x minus 3 will be unchanged, and here we can take common x, so it will be x minus 3, and plus 1 it will be again x minus 3, right? Now what can we do? Here xy times x minus 3 will be unchanged, and here is x minus 3 times x plus 1. So x minus 3 divide x minus 3, it will be out, and the answer will be xy divide x plus 1. This is our actual answer, xy divide x plus 1. So we are trying to solve past paper based on algebraic fraction. This video I am trying to solve several factorization. Next video we also try to solve different types of math based on algebraic fraction. Till then, take care, keep practice, and don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you.